Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Solve the following quadratic. And we've been given the equation 5x squared plus 7x plus 1 equal to 0. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Your support helps us to grow this channel. A quadratic equation is an equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are integer coefficients and x is a variable. To solve a quadratic equation, we need to find values of x that satisfy the equation. There are several ways we can do this, depending on the equation we've been given. First, by factoring the expression into two brackets, which is usually the quickest way, but only if the quadratic factors easily, or by falling back on the quadratic formula, which is a catch-all method for every quadratic equation, or by completing the square. To begin, let's try factorizing this equation. The coefficient of the x squared term is 5, a prime number. The coefficient of the x term is 7, also a prime number, which means that both numbers only have the factors 1 and themselves. Factorizing this into two brackets is impossible because 5x squared can only be factorized as 5x and x, whose sum is 6x, not 7x. The discriminant of the quadratic is 29, which is not a perfect square, and therefore doesn't factor neatly into integers. So let's use the quadratic formula instead. First, we need to find the values of a, b and c. To do that, we start by writing the equation we've been given. 5x squared plus 7x plus 1 equal to 0. Comparing this to the general quadratic form, ax squared plus bx plus c gives us a value of a equal to 5, b equal to 7, and c equal to 1. Then let's write down the quadratic formula. This is x equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. We can substitute our values of a, b and c into this to give us minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared minus 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1, all divided by 2 multiplied by 5. This simplifies to give us minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 20, all divided by 10, which further simplifies to give us minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 29, all divided by 10. To finish, we need to use our calculator to find both solutions. One where we add minus 7 and the square root of 29 before dividing by 10, and the second where we subtract minus 7 and the square root of 29 before dividing by 10. The two solutions, which we can round to 2 decimal places, and the answer to this question are minus 0.16 and minus 1.24 respectively. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.